Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine Amos, the CEO and Project Manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove lumps in liquid soap. I'm going to show you how to fix a liquid soap with lumps in it. Now, the process of removing the lumps from the soap is going to come at the end of the production, so make sure you watch this video to the end of it. And so if you're new to this channel, I suggest you hit the subscription button so that you do not miss any of our videos each time we upload them. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is to demonstrate how to make the multipurpose liquid soap, okay? And then I will show you how to remove the lumps using a process. Now, lumps are generally formed when making liquid soap due to undissolved particles in the medium. Now, one common example of chemicals that form lumps during soap making is nitrosol. Before we go into the soap making process proper, let's go through the safety precautions you will take as you do the preparation. Avoid direct contact of soap chemicals with the skin or eyes. Keep soap chemicals out of reach of children and do not taste soap chemicals. Multipurpose liquid soap can be made from the following materials. These are nitrosol, caustic soda, soda ash, STPP, SLS, sulfonic acid, foaming booster, color, perfume, preservative, and water. Now let's establish the quantity of materials needed to produce about 15 liters of liquid soap. Nitrosol 50 gram, caustic soda 40 gram, soda ash 200 gram, STPP 60 gram, SLS 50 gram, sulfonic acid half a liter, foaming booster half a liter, color 20 gram, perfume 30 ml, preservative a tablespoon, and water 15 liters. Now these are the materials. Here we have nitrosol, this is caustic soda, and this is soda ash, this is STPP, SLS, sulfonic acid, foaming booster, color, perfume, and preservative. Here we're producing 15 liters of multipurpose liquid soap, and so we'll be needing about 15 liters of water. And this is the plastic filter we're going to be using. Now measure some water into an empty bucket and dissolve the nitrosol in it. As you add the nitrosol to the water, stir very hard. 90% of the lumps formed in liquid soap comes from nitrosol, so make sure you stir very hard to reduce the lumps formation. Now dissolve the caustic soda in water and add it to the nitrosol. Now notice how we do it. First, we dissolve all the solid chemicals in water first before we add the solution to the nitrosol. Now this is done in order to reduce lump formation. Now please note that in this preparation, we are making about 15 liters of liquid soap, and so the total volume of water we're going to be using here is 15 liters, including the water we're going to be using to dissolve all the solid particles. Now dissolve the soda ash in water and add to the solution. Now dissolve the STPP and add to the solution. STPP here stands for sodium tripolyphosphate. Now dissolve the SLS and add to the solution. SLS here stands for sodium lauryl sulfate. Now add the sulfonic acid and the foaming booster to the solution. You can now add your color and perfume. also add your preservative. Now stir the soap solution for a while. You can now remove the lumps by filtering the solution. Here we are going to be using a plastic filter. If the suspended particles in the soap are tiny particles, then you need to use fine mesh size sieve. This process is called filtration process, used to separate suspended particles in liquid. And now, ladies and gentlemen, this is our final liquid soap. It is now free from suspended particles or lumps. So thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources SRTV. You can also follow us on our Facebook page on Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.